What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a Geek. Yeah, you heard me right. So the question is that is the Eastern Illinois University worth it? Yeah, is the Eastern Illinois University worth it? Let's find out. Jump to the screen.
Eastern Illinois University is a state university. Okay, it's a public university. Good thing is that. Let me check their tuition. What is their tuition? Tuition is also very good, acceptable. Let me check their rank. The rank is good. The tuition is good. Yeah, I can recommend it. Yeah, I can recommend it to be honest with you. Let me open their website. Let me see what they offer. Major and minor. Oh yeah, overall I can recommend it. I'm not going to go into detail. Subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي